Hi, everyone. I hope you're having a great day, a great Friday. I wanted to do a little bit of a group, so we're going to do our rule song first, okay? Eyes on teacher, eyes on teacher, listening ears, listening ears. You should have calm hands, you should have calm hands, and a calm body, and a calm body. Nice job, you guys. So, we've been talking about zoo animals. This is a trip to the zoo. We've been talking about zoo animals, and Miss Jess helped me so much because I sent her a message and I said, Miss Jess, do you have any pictures of the zoo? And she said, yes, I do. And she sent me a lot of pictures from the zoo. So we're going to look at those pictures. And then we're going to kind of answer a few questions about the pictures, okay? So in kindergarten, sometimes some of you went to Southwicks Zoo. Southwicks Zoo is in Mendon, Massachusetts. So it's pretty close to Milford. So let's look at these pictures and let's see what we see. All right. This picture I wanted to show you guys. Do you notice how the kids are on one side of the glass, right? And the animals are in the other side. So that's for safety. That's so the animals don't touch you and you don't touch the animals, especially when they're wild animals. Like I think these might be monkeys in this exhibit. This is at Southwick Zoo. Let's go to the next picture. Oh, what animal is this? Yes, that's a tiger, and the color is white, so you could say it's a white tiger. I like that picture. That's pretty. Looks like a big tiger. Let's see what's next. All right. This is at Southwick Zoo. You can see the deer and some goats. So right here, my friend Andrew is feeding the deer. What is he doing? He's feeding the deer, or you could say the deer is eating food. Andrew had a little bit of food and he put it in his hand for the deer to take. Let's see what's next. What animal is this? It's a zebra. We've been talking about this animal. What colors do you see on the zebra? Black and white. That's right. Black and white zebra. Zebras are fun because they kind of look almost like a horse, right? But they have pretty colors. What's next? Oh, this is a picture of Geo petting a goat. What is Geo doing? He's petting the goat. Look at the baby goat. It's so cute. I see a lot of goats here. And again, this is at Southwick Zoo, and you can pet the goats, and you can pet some deer. See what's next. Wow, look at this picture. This is a lion, and it's sitting on the rock. Do you remember in group when I put the tiger on top of the rock in that zoo picture? This kind of looks like that, except this is a lion. This is a girl lion. She doesn't have a lot of hair called a mane because boys have manes. Girls do not. I like this picture. Oops. What animal is this? It's a giraffe. That's right. Is that giraffe's neck long or short? Giraffe's neck is long. Right, exactly. See, this is our last picture. What are these called? These pink birds are called flamingos. Whoa, can you say that word? Flamingos. Wow. Thank you to Miss Jess for sending me those pictures. They're so fun. And I love how someday when the zoo opens up again, maybe you can go to the zoo. All right, I wanted to show you one more thing. All right. This is something I just made about the pictures. So it says, I like Southwicks Zoo. In the pictures, I see, what did we see? Flamingos. Yep. What else? A tiger. Remember, the tiger was white. What else do we see? A zebra. Nice. Could you tell me one more animal you saw at the Southwick Zoo? Yep. You could have said, let's see, you could have said the giraffe, right? You could have said the deer or the goat or the zebra or the tiger or the flamingo. What else do we see? Oh, the lion too. Remember that? The lion. All right, nice job. Let's see what's next. This is a question. Have you ever been to the zoo? Yes or no? If you've been to the zoo, you would say, yes, I have been to the zoo. If you have not been to the zoo, you would say, no, I have not been to the zoo. Miss Amanda, I've been to the zoo before. Yes. Yes, I have. And then the last question I have here is, what is your favorite zoo animal? What is your favorite zoo animal? There's no right or wrong answer. I like the elephants. We didn't see an elephant in some of those pictures, but I like when I see an elephant at the zoo. And I think I liked the white tiger too. Yeah. All right, friends. I hope you liked to look at those pictures. And thank you again, Miss Jess, for sending me those pictures. That was awesome. And I will talk to you guys later. Have an awesome weekend. Bye. Miss you guys.